It is the first time I visit company or I visit manufacturing for blowing machine. But really, believe me, I feel very satisfied to buy machine from Honda technology. When you come to buy a machine, even the price of the machine is very suitable of the customer, and make the price make the customer is very satisfied when he finish the deal with the company. Really, when you come to Sunda manufacturing, you will be very happy. You will go out of the manufacturing very happy and very satisfied. And that's what I say. Thank you, Mr. for inviting me to you these days in your manufacturing, and I'm very satisfied. I'm very happy to visit you these days, and I hope in the future I make with you many jobs and many works, many good works. I hope our luck give us many chances again. So that is all.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Ms. Demon.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.